Welcome back to Shaikhain, and I am SAEED. When people know their why, their purpose in life, they enjoy every moment of it. They are surely better at confronting every situation they come across in a creative way. What incredibly happens then, for them, the dullest thing becomes a beautiful venture. They allow things to happen and change in their life rather than fighting against it. They tend to challenge themselves and battle against their fears. We know that a majority of the people wake up every day inspired to go to work and come back home in evening contented by the work they do. If people learn their why, it makes them better qualified and more importantly confident to choose their career, the job, and to find the profession and the workplace that create environment in which they are more likely to be inspired and feel rewarded. Remember, the people who know their purpose in life are unstoppable. They feel happy, they work hard, and still you find them in relaxing mode. They are in fact honest to their purpose and struggle to change their life accordingly vis-a-vis those people who do not know the purpose of life and not clear about what they want, what they are doing, and therefore waste their own time on futile things as well as the time of the others while spreading the negativity. To conclude this message, you should appreciate that the benefits of living a purpose-driven life are so clear that when you live your life with a sense of purpose, you begin living positively and you start believing yourself, your energy, your motivation, and your confidence. And that is must for bringing in a change to make a difference into life of yours as well as of others around us. To watch more videos on the power of why, stay with Shaikhain.